Yeah. What, 6-inch space?
Holy shit.
You're gonna put it. You don't have to do it now because we're gonna pull the pipe up.
Now what are we gonna do?
When we pull that pipe up, you get that thing around that pipe. But yeah, but don't clamp it tight. Let me be able to move it. Okay.
Is it getting lighter?
Not really.
Huh?
Not really. Clamp it. Okay.
Yes, carefully.
All right, take it off. Or loosen it up.
Huh?
Loosen it up. You're gonna pull some more and you clamp it. Ah. Clamp it. All right, give me a break. All right.
Okay.
I need a break.
I'm going to cut it here and let the water out.
All right.
Just kind of hold it steady while I cut it.
It ain't going nowhere.
Yeah. I think that one's growing.
I don't think that. No, don't cut it. Don't cut it.
Well, we need to get the water out of it and make it lighter.
It's not that much water to.
Well, it is.
I can still pull it up, so don't worry about it.
I wish I could cut that pipe off up there. My God, look at that. Hey, let's cut the pipe off.
Okay, cut the pipe off if you want.
Put it up here where you can still do it. Look at the lengths on it.
Cut the pipe off right here. There's someone. Make sure you cut it at an angle so it ain't coming toward me and going out there. Cut it right here. Get outside of the well if you need to. Cut the other one first. That pipe, I don't think is, that ain't going nowhere. Dude, look where I'm holding it. If you cut it off there, I don't have anything to hold on to.
I want you to push it up there.
No, cut it so to go that way.
And then I need to cut it this way.
Yeah. Get outside of the well if you need to.
Hang on to it. Push it in the corner. That'll help
That's
hold
in the
it.
corner. Let the water come out. Let the water come out. Cut this one too, I guess. You got water?
Yeah. That's in that one. Okay, grab it down here now again. Okay, now move over. You got it?
I do, but cut it. Go ahead, cut it. The other one too. That one's about to fall. Concentrate on the other one. Keep going. Keep going. Don't worry about that one.
Yes, I do have to worry about it because it's going to come back and hit. take that thing off.
You have the thing on it, don't you?
I got this.
You
I
have-
got this. I got it.
No, you have a clamp on this one when you take off.
I know. There's the thing. Take the clamp. Just loosen it up and slide the clamp off. And then we'll put this on this. And then you've got some way of this is the
Okay.
I got it. Just slide it off. I'll take it. Just slide it off. Okay, now take this thing off.
Okay. Yeah, we need to get that okay.
Hang on to this. No, it won't go that way.
Alright.
It's got to go the other way. It's in there. It can't go past. I got this. I got this. Let loose of it. I got it. Okay, now give me that. Now put it on here. The big and the little.
Yeah. Let go carefully. And it's gonna go. It's too close. Let go of it. It's not going to go because it's being. It won't be able to bend straight. It can't. Just put one on them though. Here, put the big one on. Have it fall and camp it.
Yeah, because one of them will hold both of them.
Go ahead. You don't have to take it all the way up. Just slide it through the hole. Alright. Now clamp it down.
Yeah, because one of them will hold the whole thing.
Yeah, they're both connected down at the bottom somehow.
What do you think it is?
I think it's one of them pumps that, for the well. The big long 3-foot silver pump thingy. Alright, I need a break.
Yeah, take a break while we got it down there. Went there and get a rag out of the.
That's what I'm doing.
There's a whole bunch of rags under a windmill.
Okay. Alright.
The elastic here, I don't want them falling down in the well.
Okay. Yeah. Let me pull it up and then you could. Don't do that if you can't help it.
I have to.
Alright.
Okay?
Nope. Alright, now.
Wait a minute.
Hey, not too tight.
It's tight.
Don't do it too tight or else you break it.
Okay, let's cut this. Here. Wipe your hands. I brought several of them out. Now go ahead and cut it. So I'll cut it. And we'll get this off. You go ahead and
Just hold that straight.
rid of that water, every pound you can take off of this thing makes it lighter.
Not a whole lot.
You may not notice it, but it does. What'd you do with the spot? Okay, so I'm going to cut the pipe off.
Wipe the pipe off.
I'm going to cut this pipe off.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, cut it off. Yeah, cut it off. Cut it off right there. Water. Probably dripping out of. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the flashlight.
Yeah, get the flashlight while I cut this pipe. I hear something dripping.
Nothing but plate.
Still a lot to go yet.
Nothing but plate.
Yep.
Alright. Don't cut it. Don't cut it. I need it. I need it so I can hold on to it. What? What? If you want to cut it up here or something.
That's all right. Let it go.
Right. Wipe that pipe off.
Which one?
The big one.
This one?
Yeah. That way I get a pretty. That way I get a fairly good grip on it. Okay. Take it off.
Okay. You want? Oh, keep going.
It's going off.
There it is. That's it. That's the point. Oh, don't not stick in the well.
It's not going in the well.
That's it. Oh, look at the water going out of it.
How come it was so? That's fucking.
Yeah, there it is.
That's metal. That's metal.
Yeah,
This whole thing is metal.
I know it. That's the point. They call that a point. And it's
Okay.
brass. It's all brass. See here?
Yeah.
So look at here. What's happening?
What?
This is western here. And this is brass down here, but this is western.
Yeah. It's rag.
That's it.
It's like, you know, blue jean rags, stock is rag.
Well, I know, but that's... Oh, now I see water. See it way down in?
Yeah.
Way down in.
Drop a rock in there,
No.
and you hear it sploosh.
You drop nothing in there.
Yep. The casing doesn't end at the bottom. It still goes through.
That'll have to be cut down there in order to get this off.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the hose to spray that off. So,
Well, I'm going to cut it. Cut it here.
and then we're still gonna have to spray it off.
Well, see here, if I cut it, this is just screwed on. Now I might be able to unscrew it, put it in the vise, and unscrew it.
Right? But we
Cut it
probably
off.
can't. We probably shouldn't use that again. That's where it came in together. I don't know why they did that. Go ahead.
I'm in here.
Alright, give me a rag. The rag you had in your hand. hold this thing down.
I got it.
You want to go ahead and
Go ahead and cut it up here and cut it here, and we can take this off. And... Boy, it don't look that bad. It still got good.
No.
See?
It's really dirty though, no.
No, just cut it off there. You got your thing running?
No, it's air compressor.
Right.
Yeah, it's running.
Take that off. That goes in the hole. I got to take it in there and put something on here to block it.
Okay.
It can be open for a while. When I want it coming out, I'm going to cut
Okay. We got to the bottom of the well. We're not sure, but we're thinking it's probably about
the point.
it's probably about 35 feet, 34 feet like we had before. And here's the end of the pipe. They had it split off and doubled. I don't know why it was that heavy though, man. It don't look like it should weigh more than 5 or 10 pounds. And this is the point. I'll wipe it off for you so you can see.
I'm going to cut it off there. Then I can take it in, put it on the vise, and unscrew it.
It looks like there was a filter on here too.
Yep. It's brass. The points are brass. See it?
Alright.
Yeah.
Can we unscrew this from the
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Unscrew
Yeah.
it all. We might be able to use that point yet again.
Yeah, we might. We'll see.
If it's clean and it can...
We'll see. We might be able to use this point.
Yep.
Or, you know,
The whole thing.
backflow. I'm sure there's a backflow in there somewhere because this pipe's had water in it. If they didn't have water, all that water would run back through the pipe. So, alright, we'll see you at the next phase.